Good afternoon, this is Adam Bosch with MGI Motorsports out here at Gene, racing the SNORE 250. And this is a 5-year anniversary of MGI Motorsports. It's the first race we raced.
Paul Van Bogart, I'm Adam, happen to be Adam Bosch's brother-in-law. Remember about a little over 5 years ago, Adam says, he goes, hey, we're gonna go be desert racers. I said, what? He goes, yeah, we're gonna go race in the desert. I said, okay, what do I need to do? What can I do?
It's a blast. I can't even tell you how exciting it is, and just an awesome experience to be able to do something like that with my father. You know, I mean, it's a bonding experience to say the least.
I'm Randy Bloom, MGI Motorsports. I'm a Class 1 driver of a new addition to MGI Motorsports. Looking forward to it. There's a super class act, a bunch of guys here, and a great racing team that's kind of gelling together, and super excited to be a part of it.
Jim Sparks, co-driver 63 of MGI Motorsports. Riding in a trophy truck is, well, I can say it's a lot better than riding in a Class 1. We had very fortunate to have a tremendous car. MCM did a lot of fabrication, Fodrell did a lot of work. That 63 is, it's really a dream to be in. It's got tremendous horsepower. We got a great engine builder in Ryan. We got a lot of great support. That truck is something else. It's very exciting.
This is how you drive it right here.